Hello everyone. Is your web browser running slow? Are websites taking forever to load? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your browser's cache and cookies to improve speed and fix common browsing issues. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Next, select Clear Browsing Data. A new window will appear with several options. At the top of the Clear Browsing Data window, you'll see a time range drop-down menu. To completely clean your browser, select All Time. If you only want to remove recent data, choose options like Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, or Last 7 Days. Now make sure the following options are checked: Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files. Cookies store website login information and preferences, while the cache stores temporary files to help websites load faster. Over time, these files can become outdated and cause performance issues. Once you've selected the options, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will begin removing the selected files. This process usually takes only a few seconds. After clearing cache and cookies, your browser may feel faster and more responsive. Websites may load fresh content, login problems can be fixed, and many browsing errors may disappear. Keep in mind that you'll need to sign back into some websites because cookies are being removed. And that's how you can speed up your browser instantly by clearing cache and cookies. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows, browser, and technology tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.